ovaries aren't producing enough hormones, particularly estrogen for hot flashes usually, and needs to be replaced. Hormones take a little while to sort of work up a blood level and really become effective. So it says you say you've been on it for about a week. I would guess in the next couple of weeks, you're going to start feeling some relief from those nighttime hot flashes. If your hot flashes are at night, I recommend taking the medicine at night. I generally do anyway, because if you're also on progesterone, that helps with the sleep. Every now and then, somebody goes backwards. It's kind of funny. I just had somebody I was talking to today where instead of the progesterone making them sleepy, it activated them like caffeine. I'm like, okay, switch to the morning. But for most people, it makes them sleepy. And so on top of that, you get the double whammy of helping you sleep, plus the estrogen helping the hot flashes. So the bottom line is that the estrogen is too low, and it's more than that really. While you're in perimenopause, the ovaries are still spurting out a little bit, and so you get these inconsistent up and downs of your hormones. We really think that's probably what causes the hot flashes, more on top of just the low levels. It's the levels and then these just little peaks of changes in the estrogen. It's the same reason people sometimes get hot flashes in pregnancy. And it's why hot flashes do tend to go away sometime after menopause when things are more stable. Basically, there's no hormone, but that's probably why you're having hot flashes. Hormone replacement therapy is going to level everything out. It's going to bring your hormones back to where they're supposed to be without these big spikes, and should keep your body from reacting that way.